Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion roots. Don't know.
Sun. Now you bingy drum a beat fi run. Echo deep in mountainside. Call the children far and wide. Every strike a message clear. Jah spirit always near. Drumbeat guide the righteous way. Push the darkness far away. Drumbeat of Zion, strong and true. Call the old and call the new. Every step we march in time to Jah love in perfect rhyme. Me hear the elder chant along, voice and drum in one strong song. It tell the tale from long ago, a prophecy we know must know. Drumbeat carry word of peace, tell the war and hate for cease. Every beat a healing sound, lift we high from off the ground when the storm clouds start to rise. Drumbeat call for clear the skies. It shake the gate, it wake the soul, bring the people back to old. Babylon tremble when it hear, cause truth a beat so loud and clear. No army strong, no chain so tight, can't stop the drumming, Jah light. Me see the youth them learn the play, keep the heartbeat every day. From tiny hands to seasoned palm, drumbeat bring a holy calm. It speak a language without word, every nation can be heard. Through the rhythm we unite, step together in Jah light. Oh. Nightfall come but still it sound. Drumbeat roll through sacred ground. It echo wide across the land. Guide we all with gentle hand till the morning sun return. Drumbeat keep the spirit burn. In Zion heart it always stay. Beat of love to light the way. Whoa. Boom boom, beat for life. Cut through trouble, cut through strife. No border, no wall, no chain can hold the Naya bingy flame. From sunrise till day is done, drumbeat keep the people one. Drumbeat of Zion, strong and true. Call the old and call the new. Every step we march in time to Jah love in perfect rhyme. From mountain top to valley deep, drumbeat of Zion we always keep. Zion Raga, yeah man. Blaze up the fire, fi cleanse the land. Burn away Babylon hand. Every spark a holy sign. Light the darkness, make it shine. Me see the flame dance in the night. Guide the people to the light. Fire of redemption, pure and strong. Lead we back where glow like love in every heart. Spread through valley, cross the plain. Wash away the dirt and pain. Babylon try fi hide in shade, but your fire well laid. It light the road, it clear the way, till the righteous rule the day. Me see the youth them gather round, listen to the holy sound. Elder teach them truth from birth. Fire bless the whole earth. No man can quench the flame of peace. It only grow, it never cease. Every tongue and every creed feel the fire of righteous deed. Night draw close but still it glow. Light the steps where we must go. It warm the weak, it guide the lost. Fire of love, whatever the cost. Till morning come and sky turn gold. Fire of redemption still hold. It blaze until the work is done. And Babylon wall come down. Blaze high, blaze low. Through the spirit, let it flow. Not for earth, but for heal. Show the world the truth so real. Touch in hand, we walk in might. Fire of Jah, bring the light. Fire of redemption blaze so high. Touch the earth and kiss the sky. Every heart come feel the flame. Call on Jah, holy name. From mountain top to ocean deep. Fire of redemption we always keep. Zion reggae, yeah man. Through the valley and over hill, blow the wind so pure and still. Carry message from up high, straight from Zion to the sky. Every breeze a holy sign. Whisper words for peace divine. Winds of Jah, they never tire. Fan the flame of righteous fire. Winds of Jah blow strong and free. Spread the truth across the sea. Lift the soul and clear the way. Guide we through another day. Me stand pan cliff and feel it blow. Bring the blessings that we know. It touch me skin, it cool me bro. Remind me Jah is here and now. It move the trees in gentle sway. Turn the night into bright day. Every ghost a sacred prayer. Tell the world Jah spirit there. When Babylon I build them wall, winds of Jah will make it fall. It slip through crack, it climb the gate. It carry love, it crush the hate. No man can change the breath of life. It calm the storm, it end the strife. It whisper hope in darkest night. And lift we up to Zion height. Me hear it dance through Market Street. Mix with laughter, make it sweet. It cool the elder, pan the chair. Bring fresh life to everywhere. From mountain top to ocean deep. It guard the flock that Jah keep. Every blow a blessing true. Winds of Jah will carry you. Before the dusk, before the rain, winds of Jah still will of Jah will see we through. Blow high, blow low, carry the seed till it grow. From shore to shore, land to land, spread the works of Jah hand. No storm can turn, no wall can hold. Winds of Jah forever bold. Winds of Jah blow strong and free. Spread the truth across the sea. Lift the soul and clear the way. Guide we through another day. From mountain high to valley low. Winds of Jah forever blow.
Bless the people, yeah man. Rastafari live and reign. You smoke not to escape but to elevate. Ease your mind, open your soul. With barefoot on the red dirt trail. In a earth me trust me never frail. Sky a paint, the sunset tail. Birds a sing, breeze a sail. Herbs in a me palm, pure like truth. A gift from Jah, fi guide the youth. One spark light it, fire of proof. Meditation, bring back me roots. Me no rush, me take me time. Each breath sacred, each draw divine. This no party weed or plastic line. It's liberty, real like sacred sign. Jah guide me, breathe in a freedom. Exhale the pain, let the smoke carry blessing like rain. Dance with the wind, no carry no chain. In the silence, me hear Jah name. Breathe in a freedom, float away high. Above all worry, above the sky. Open your soul, let the spirit fly. Me dip on the journey, Jah draw me nigh. Me turn Babylon stress, me free me mind. Now follow crowd, me walk Jah line. Me drink coconut water straight from vine. Ital food keep me temple fine. Gang in a background rhythm so nice. Now ya bring the drums roll like dice. Each beat a heartbeat, sound precise. Life na fi hard, fi feel paradise. Rasta woman by me side, strong and kind. She plant the herbs, she read the sign. She chant the psalms, she keep me aligned. Blessed beyond flesh, in soul me find. Jah guide me, breathe in a freedom. Exhale the pain, let the smoke carry blessing like rain. Dance with the wind, no carry no chain. In the silence, me hear Jah name. Breathe in a freedom, float away high. Above all worry, above the sky. Open your soul, let the spirit fly. Me step on the journey, Jah draw me nigh. Me travel light, me no own much, but me own peace, and that me clutch. Me own love, and that me trust. Me own a vibe, you can't corrupt. Sunset colors in a me eye. Ganja cloud, them paint the sky. Every tool a prayer that not tell lie. Every thought purified when high. So born for purpose, not just style. Herbs for wisdom, not just smile. It's how you use it that make it vital. Me live ital, me chant like Bible. Jah guide me, Jah guide me, Jah guide me, Jah guide me.
Aye, aye, aye. Down by riverside with Zion, yeah man. water pure fi heal the land. Every drop of holy grace reflect the sunlight on your face. River of Zion never dry, carry hope as it pass by. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jah Jah song. Me kneel beside the river bank, give me thanks, me praise, me frank. It feed the root, it feed the seed, it give the earth all she need. Children splash and elders smile, water run for mile and mile. Every ripple, every wave, tell the story Jah once gave. When the drought a burn the plain, river come with healing rain. Babylon dam can't stop the flow, from Jah mountain it will go. It cool the heart, it calm the mind, bring the peace we all must find. Through the desert, through the storm, river keep we safe and warm. Me follow stream to valley deep, where secrets of creation sleep. The fish them swim, the birds them call, river bless and feed them all. No greed can take, no man can own this water from Jah alone. It teach the youth how life will stay when we live in Jah Jah way. Before the moonlight touch the wave, river sing fi all Jah save. From dawn till night, from year to year, river keep the spirit near. It never stop, it never rest, Jah creation at its best. River of Zion always run, till the works of Jah are done. Flow strong, flow slow, carry the seed till it grow. From hilltop high to ocean wide, river bring Jah love inside. No chain, no gate, no wall can bind. Water of life for all mankind. River of Zion deep and wide, carry the truth on every tide. Wash away the pain and wrong, fill the heart with Jah Jah song. From source to sea, from start to end, river of Zion, eternal friend. Ay, ay, ay. This is Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Early in the morning, sunrise in gold, me light up the chalice, give thanks for the soul. Birds them a chant and the breeze whisper low. Rasta man walk on the green earth slow. Roots in a me veins, Jah fire in a me chest. Meditation deep, me spirit manifest. In a silence, me hear the truth confess. Life a secret, no need for stress. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool in a wisdom. Me a swim Jah rule, no Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. Me say cleanse the soul like river wash stone. Drop the ego, standing truth alone.
high grade aroma, touch throne. In a harmony, me build a new home. Herbs for the healing, herbs for the light. Me no need no pills, Jah guide me sight. One draw bring me close to heights. See visions in a star, them bright. Every puff of prayer, every breath divine. Link with the cosmos, me feel the sign. Time and illusion, me step out of line. In a timeless space, Rastaman align. Drums beat low like ancient code. Ancestral voices in a reggae mode. Me dance with the moon, me chant with the trees. Me reason with wind, me float with ease. This journey not just about blaze and chant. It's about roots and culture. Oh, you plant the seeds of love in heart, them grow. Till the whole world feel the righteous flow. Smoke, meditate and elevate. Open up the mind, don't hesitate. Zion calling, me can't be late. One love, one path, me walk straight. Fire blaze, but me heart stay cool in a wisdom. Me a swim Jah rule, no Babylon pressure, no more fool. Me stand tall, Rastafari school. I tell food pon the fire bubbling sweet. Yam cassava, no blood, no meat. Levitic clean heart, skip no beat. Balance me life, me not taste defeat. Sister and brethren gather in a circle. Share word, share herb, we never commercial. The vibes them pure like river universal. Unity real, no superficial. Chalice pass with respect and care. No greed, no rush, we aware. Each draw sacred like breath of air. One heart, one mind, one love declare. So when you feel lost, remember this line. Smoke with intention, align the mind. Meditate deep, leave Babylon behind. In a Jah light, true peace you find. Zion echoes like thunder roll. Reggae wisdom, heal the soul. This not just music, this is control of self, of love, full whole. Na 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 na. Kaya and music, yeah man. Inna the heart of the concrete land, me wake to horns and Babylon's hand. But me light me spliff, me give me praise. Me chant for guidance through city maze. Me wear me dread like crown on head. Me trot through street where hope seem dead. But me not fear no evil vibe. Me bring Jah light where shadows hide. Me see them run, them chase the pay. Them lose them soul along the way. But me stay firm, me stand me ground. Me reggae beat still shake the town. Yeah, green smoke rising high in the sky. Jah know me spirit, Jah hear me cry. From rooftop high to subway line, me chant for love, me chant for sign. We are sitting no silent, but I find peace in the rhythm, me trouble cease. With ganja, fire and roots in chest, me meditate, me find me rest. Me reach me corner, me safe zone. Me sit on rooftop all alone. Me roll it clean, me roll it tight. One spark and me soul ignite. Me close me eyes, me feel the beat. Me levitate above the street. Me nah need plane, me nah need car. Me fly with rhythm to Zion star. Me think bout life, me think bout now. Oh, system try fi make man bow, but me resist in gentle way. Me live idle, me smoke and pray. Ria green smoke rising high in the sky, while sirens wail and pigeons fly. Me hold me peace inside me lungs. Me sing me songs in ancient tongues. truth real. Me no escape, me face me seen, but still me rise in smoke so green. Inna the chaos, me still hear drum. Me heart a bassline, me soul a strum. Me walk with staff through Market Street. Me greet them youth, me drop them beat. Them ask Rasta, how you cope? Me say me whole faith, me burn me hope. Me herb is key, me chant is gate. Me vibe strong, me love no hate. The food me cook, it pure and true. Me drink me roots, me sip me brew. Me tell the youth, love yourself first. Babylon train you fi feel cursed. When the moon rise over Tower Light, me feel Jah presence hold me tight. No need fi mansion, me have stars. Me roll one more beneath the cars. Each puff a prayer, each draw a song. Me hold this liberty firm and strong. Me nah compete, me nah pretend. Me know Jah walk with I till end. So if you're lost in steel and stone, just light one up and trod alone. Listen fi rhythm pan traffic beat. Let the fire guide your feet. Zion echoes in the smoke we send. Truth arise and pain amen. Me city prayer, me herbal hymn. Me journey start from deep within. Feel it in it. Reggae music brings peace in the world, yeah man. Wake up and sunrise glow. Pack me bag and me ready fi go. One guitar, one drum, one draw. Me ride the wind without no law. From hills of Jamaica to coast of Spain. Reggae rhythm run deep in a vein. Every stop a smile me find. People of earth, heart and mind. Me roll a spliff under olive tree. Meditate on life so free. Me see a youth in a desert land. He play Naya Bingy with gentle land. Me say brother this music true. He say Rasta love it live in you. Language different but soul align. Chant together, time to time. Zion road trip, forward still. One word sound, one heart will. From Kingston Street to Cape Town Light, we blaze the fire through the night. No bother, no fear, just the vibe. Positive frequency keep we alive. Zion road trip, ride with me to the place where soul feel free. Me link with elders in Morocco, son. Them show me herbs, them pick by hand. Me mix the mint with mountain thyme. Inhale the earth, feel so divine. Drumbeat echo through the cave. Ancient chant make me brave. Me carry the fire from place to place, spreading unity, roots and grace. In a Paris, me jam in a metro. Guitar lick sweet like calypso. Crowd gather, vibe explode. The rhythm break every code. From rooftop dance to seaside fire, we celebrate life, we lift it higher. Herb in a chalice, sound in the air. Rasta ride on everywhere. Zion road trip, forward still.
One world sound, one heart will. From Kingston Street to Cape Town Light, we blaze the fire through the night. No bother, no fear, just the vibe. Positive frequency keep we alive. Zion road trip, ride with me to the place where soul feel free. In a Tokyo, roots man spin, old school vinyl, rubber dub in a the din. Me toast one verse, him nod and smile. Reggae bridge over 1,000 mile. In a Brazil, me sight the light. Samba mix with roots ignite. Me heart full, me spirit wide. Me walk your path, me got the guide. So when me reach back on island ground, me bring the story in sweet rhythm sound. Me sit pan rock and chant again. For all the people me meet and gain. The Zion trip, a lifetime ride. Through island mist and ocean tide. If you hear this song and feel the call, come ride with Rasta, come one, come all. Zion road trip, forward still. One world sound, one heart will. From Kingston Street to Cape Town Light, we blaze the fire through the night. No bother, no fear, just the vibe. Positive frequency keep we alive. Zion road trip, ride with me to the place where soul feel free.
No, ganja inna the chalice, yeah, man. Me rise up early in a golden light. No noise, no stress, just mountain sight. Me step outside with me chalice cup. Me inhale deep, just spirit wake me up. Me eyes half closed, me soul open wide. As nature chant, me heart a glide. No words needed in a this hour. Just wine bird song and ganja power. No shoes pan feet, me grounding real. Me sit pan stone, me start fi feel. The herbs guide me mind to peace, and all the worldly worries cease. Smoke and silence, no complication. Just me and Jah in a meditation. Me burn the leaf, me breathe in deep. Me rise above, me no lose sleep. High grade meditation, me daily bread. Me no follow crowd, me spirit lead. Me reason with trees, me listen the wind. Me chant for love and cleanse me sin. Me no need cathedral, no need gold. Me temple are within me soul unfold. Each puff a prayer, each cloud a sign. Me float in rhythm, me feel divine. Ganja heal me mind and skin. It open gates, feel look within. Me hear me ancestors, them whisper low. Keep it humble and let Jah grow. Me see me future in a smoke design. A clear path, all sacred, all aligned. Me no rush life, me take me pace. Me walk in truth, me walk in grace. Smoke and silence, no complication. Just me and Jah in a meditation. Me burn the leaf, me breathe in deep. Me rise above, me no lose sleep. High grade meditation, fire a burn. Fi in a balance, me daily turn. Me chant for joy, me chant for right. Me hold your light in darkest night. Me wake me farm, me chant me eat. Me live slow life, me stay complete. Me not envy Babylon bling. Me happy with me drum and the song me sing. Me cook ital, me sip on roots. Me chant psalms under star fruit shoots. Me reason with elders, me guide the youth. Me pass on wisdom, me live me truth. Me no wear crown, but me feel royal. Each day a gift,
each breath vital. Me wear dreadlocks, me wear peace. Me walk Jah road until release. Me see this world a full of stress, but Rasta way bring happiness. Me herb sacred, me path clear. Jah presence strong, Jah voice near. So light it up and sit still. Let Jah take you up the hill. Let go worry, let go fight. Come hold a meditation light. Smoke, silence and a beat. That's how me soul and heaven meet. And in a me chant, me always find peace, love, and a clear eye mind. Na na na. At Bubats and Sweat Kaya man. Me rise early when the sky's still blue. Chalice light up, me thoughts feel true. In a bamboo groove, me soul retreat. Barefoot step, cool earth beneath me feet. Me draw from the pipe, exhale me pain. Me chant melodies in a smoke and rain. Bird them sing, tree them sway. Me heart beat in a Rasta way. Bamboo talk, me listen keen. Them whisper secrets seen and unseen. Me nah rush, me take it slow. Each breath a blessing, each puff me know. Me vision clear, no mist in sight. Me float in rhythm, hold Jah light. Me burn me fire in sacred shell. Me meditate where silence dwell. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me sit in circle with me brethren them. Drum beat rise like lion anthem. We pass the pipe in reverence. Smoke curl up like incense. Me speak of dreams, them speak of stars. We talk about healing, about ancient scars. Me nah need screen, me nah need phone. Me need the forest, fi feel me own. Every leaf a teacher, every root a guide. Me overstand nature, me nah hide. Me soul in tune with bamboo's bend. It flex but never break me friend. So me live like that, humble and wise. Grounded in truth, high in the skies. Me burn herb not fi run away, but fi connect deeper every day. In a bamboo meditations, me find peace, me find vibrations. Me inhale truth, exhale fear. Me walk with sound, Jah always near. Smoke and sound, soul elevate. Me ride the wave, me shift me state. Bamboo breeze and mystic sound. Me feet levitate off the ground. Me tread the land with no distress. Me heart beat strong, me soul feel blessed. Me meet the elder with eyes so deep. Him set me youth, the mountain steep. But hold your name and burn it clean. Me see enough things that not be seen. So me sip me tea and chant me rhyme. Me reason deep, me lose all time. Me not preach, but me speak from heart. Me words are spark, me vibes are art. If you're lost, come sit beside. Light up spliff and ride the tide. Me give you rhythm, me give you flame. Me give you Rasta with no shame. From bamboo roots to clouds so high. Zion echoes echo in a sky. I smoke ganja and meditate, yeah, man. Oh yeah. Early morning, sun start rise. Birds are sing like in the skies. Me step barefoot on the earth cool. Draw for me chalice, me spiritual tool. Me roll up herbs in banana leaf. Me give thanks for life, me soul find peace. No nice, just breezing at the tree. Meditation come naturally. Inhale the smoke, exhale the pain. Feel the roots flow deep in a brain. Me sit by river, me heart beat slow. Me see your face where the waters flow. No phone, no screen, no fake delight. Just me and I and the holy light. I chant the psalms, me call your name. For wisdom, guidance, no money game. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. I am meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta na fear, we not sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herba healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Me empress they within the grove. She pick herbs filled with temple stove. She say love is sacred, pure and slow. Me say yes queen, let it grow. She light the fire, boil bush tea. We chant together in harmony. We no chase clothes, no chase fame. We live idle, clean in Jah name. Me feel Jah when me plant a seed. When rain fall and cleanse me need. Me hear truth in every drum. In a silence, wisdom come. Me no need church fi connect to source. Me walk with Jah, me stay the course. Me draw me herb, me close me eye. Me spirit float to Zion high. Mystic smoke, guide me soul. I am meditation, make I whole. From mountain top to valley deep. Rasta na fear, we not sleep. Mystic smoke, bring the light. Burn away darkness of the night. Herba healing, word is sound. Jah vibration all around. Every puff a vision clear. Me sight ancestors them draw near. Them whisper truth from long ago. Out and we rise when we stay low. Me burn me herbs in a sacred rite. And dreams reveal.
Ganja is Rastasmans medicine, yeah man. Ganja. Me rise up with sun pan me face. Me barefoot step on sacred place. No rush, no chase, no time fi war. Me move with the rhythm from near and far. Me hear drum beat deep in the earth. Ancient sound from long before birth. Me lock, me crown, me stretch, me hand. Me feel Jah pulse move through the land. Me wrap me herb in banana leaf. Me chant one prayer for world relief. Me heart dance to the Naya bingy fire. This vibration lift me higher and higher. Rhythm of the roots, it a call me soul. Me step in a trance, me lose control. Me dance for the love, me move for the light. Me chant in a rhythm all day and night. Roots like river, sound so true. Rhythm of the roots, it carry you. Me see me sister swing like tree. Me see me brother jump and free. We no need no diamond chain. Me only need the rhythm fi ease me brain. Me swing, me dread, me lift me chest. Me know Jah bless, me know me blessed. No Babylon tune can shake this core. This roots rhythm reach me to the core. Me sip some coconut fresh and sweet. Me feel the fire under me feet. Me drum, me chant, me spirit fly. Me link with Jah inna the open sky. Rasta no dance just for the show. We move with purpose, let it flow. We spin, we chant, we open gate. We free the mind, we drop the weight. Me light the chalice, me inhale deep. Me mind open wide, no time for sleep. This meditation come true base. It bring me back to Zion place. Rhythm of the roots make me levitate. Every step a blessing I carry it. Me chant in a rhythm, me smoke the truth. Me dance in a circle with Jah youth. No lie can break this unity. Rhythm of the roots, set I free. Nightfall come, firelight glow. Me people gather and spirit flow. Conga, drum and bongo rise. We chant and praise under starlit skies. Me feel the ancestors in a beat. Them guide me foot, them move me feet. From Africa to Caribbean wave. This rhythm rise from jam and grave. Me see the lion, me see the lamb. Me hold me heart in a Japan. Me chant one love from me chest. In a rhythm, me soul rest.
No, 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 Zion Lion is back, my Rastas. Darkness drop like Jah velvet robe. Me step on earth, feel the globe. No light but the stars and moon. Me heart beat steady, chant Jah tune. Me walk among trees, me barefoot free. Me spirit rise in a Zion decree. All them call breeze whisper low. Me hear Jah voice in a wind that blow. No Babylon nice, just silence pure. Me soul find strength, me mind secure. Me hold me spliff, give thanks for night. The urban moon, them shine me sight. Zion by moonlight, me soul take flight. No trouble here, just stars so bright. Me chant in the dark, me feel the flame. Me no need gold, me praise Jah name. By moonlight, me truly see what daylight hide come clear to me. Me sip on stone, me close me eyes. Me breathe deep, feel Jah in skies. Me no see wall, me no see chain. Me see love rise through Jah rain. Me reason with eye, me reason with tree. Me reason with stars that shine pon me. Them tell me truth that books no write. Them show me peace in Jah pure light. No illusion, no fast life spin. Just Rasta way, clean soul within. Me light one more pass to me brother. We share one flame, we light together. Me travel far without a step. Me soul go deep, me heart accept. Jah open gate where eyes can't see. In a moonlight code me find the key. Drum echo in a me chest. Me know this path, me know me blessed. No fear here, just sacred ground. Where Jah truth always be found. Zion by moonlight, no disguise. Me walk the path, me hear the cries. But in a silence, me find the cure. Me realize what life is for. By moonlight, me sing so clear. Jah love alone, me carry near. Me see vision of warrior drum. Me see Zion children still to come. Them rise with love, not guns and fear. Them chant truth, them make it clear. Me sin I have been the fire burn. Them chant one love Babylon turn. Me hear me grandmother voice again. Said child walk wise and feel the rain. Me bless me head, me hold the vibe. Me carry the rhythm, me keep the tribe. Me build me song like mountain tall. Me drop them verses like sacred call. Now sun peak slow over hill so wide, but me still feel the moon inside. Me carry that light through daily strife. Me hold your peace, me hold your life. So when the world get loud and tight, me remember Zion by moonlight. Oh.
Nah, nah, nah. Smoke ganja with Rastasmans. Nah, nah, nah. Early light bless the hills, them gold. Me rise with the sun, me spirit bold. Wash me face in the river stream. Me cleanse me mind, me live me dream. No processed thing, me food come raw. I tell way, me honor jala. Banana callaloo, coconut cream. Me nourish me temple, me live clean. Me spark a spliff with pure intention. Meditation, not just attention. No hype, just deep connection. Inna me chest, love's resurrection. Come on a ride with a nightal soul. Me heart beat warm, me eyes them all. Come chant a tune under Zion sky. In a pure vibration, me spirit fly. Ital soul, ital fire. Burn Babylon eyes, elevate higher. Me no rush, me take time with me steps. Each breath sacred, each footstep blessed. Me hear the wind whisper ancient song, telling me Rasta, you're right where you belong. Me no own much, but me rich in peace. Me kitchen humble, still joy increase. Me take me drum, beat one rhythm. Me know who I am, me no need system. Them chase glitter, me whole wisdom. Them in a panic, me in Jah kingdom. Me dreadlock long like river flow. Me roots grow deep, them can't overthrow. In a smoke, me find clarity. Me no last, me rise in sincerity. Me chant psalms in a natural space. Me walk slow, me keep Jah pace. Me no need fast lane, me need peace. Me no buy chaos, me choose release. In the herb, me find me guide. In a Jah light, me always reside. Come on a ride with a nightal soul. Me cook up love in a coconut bowl. Me vibes them fresh, me thoughts them bright. Me step in truth from morn till night. Ital soul, ital flame. Me carry no hate, me no play no game. Sit pan rock with me brethren them. Reason about life from way back when. No phone, no screen, just real talk. Rasta heart, long forest walk. We share fruits and split the herb. No fake smiles, we speak Jah word. We laugh, we cry, we sing them tunes. Under crescent moon we chant full moons. Me daughter dance barefoot in grass. Me son build strength like roots in a class. Them grow with wisdom, not just rule. Them learn Jah ways, not just school. So ride with me, I tell road long. But we sing life's truth like Rasta song. Me can't promise riches, me can't promise fame, but me offer freedom in Jah name. Me live simple, me heart stay wide. Jah compasses me in a guide. So if you seek light and peace inside, then welcome to the ital soul ride.
Na 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 Zion. Echoes is so high, man.
Me enter temple, silence fall. Me spirit rise as me answer the call. Incense burn, me heart feel light. Me step inside Jah healing light. Me roll the herb, slow and wise. of Psalm under mystic skies. One puff, me leave the pain. Me mind no longer feel the chain. Me sit on stone, me close me eye. Me hear the ancestors whisper why. Them say hold firm, seek Jah face. This herb will guide you to the sacred place. In a herb temple, me find peace. Ganja flow, all stress cease. Me chant in a haze, me float so free. Herb temple in eternity. No hate, no war, just pure vibration. Me live in a herb temple meditation. Me grind the leaf with reverence deep. Me build the chalice, me nah skip sleep. Me fire blaze, the chalice glow. Me breath in rhythm, me mind move slow. Me circle full of humble soul. We chant in harmony, full control. No ego, no mask, no disguise. Just truth light up in Jah eyes. Me sight the moon rise up above. Me heart full up with roots and love. Me sip the bush tea, fresh and warm. Me soul wrapped in Jah arm. Me no smoke for fun, me smoke for rise. Herb temple bring light to me eyes. Me meditate, me elevate. Me reach in a place where it can't wait. Me float through rhythm slow and clean. Me dance in a vision me soul never seen. Me levitate pan healing base. Me see me truth, me find me space. In a herb temple, sound like prayer. Me chant and burn the smoke in air. Me sing with lion, me sleep like lamb. Me hold the vibe like sacred psalm. No lies, no illusion, no separation. Just I and I in a meditation. Me no need no eye, rise wall. Me find Jah kingdom where leaf fall. Me pick the plant with humble heart. Me know this journey just the start. Me see the youth learn the code. How to grow love, enlighten Lord. Me teach the way, me share the fire. Me pass the chalice, me lift them higher. Inna the hills where time can't rule. Me build me temple, me just school. Me smoke for clarity, smoke for light. Me herb meditation bring me sight. Yo! So me light one more before me rest. Me give thanks for life, me know me bless. Me inhale truth, exhale stress. Herb temple guide me through the test.
Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 me na 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 ma. Hey, early morning light creep through me window. Birds are sing sweet hymns in the meadow. Me stretch me arms to the rising sun. Another day fi chant, another day begun. Me plant me foot on sacred earth. Me know Jah love from even birth. Me give thanks for the breeze and tree. Me give thanks for the life in me. Me light me chalice, me sip me tea. Me mind clear like Caribbean Sea. Me no run down hype nor goal. Me walk the path them ancient stone. One love still lives in each breath we take. Even in a system that try fi fake. Roots still grow and heart still beat. Truth still walk down Zion Street. One love still lives through drum and bass. In a Rasta chant and Jah embrace. From Kingston town to Mount Zion Hill. The fire still burn and always will. Me remember me youth and them reggae night. The rhythm anaconda full moonlight. Me father play vinyl and close him eye. Bob voice echo no woman no cry. Me hold them words like sacred prayer. Them carry me soul through worldly fear. Me nah need fame nor diamond chain. Just a liquor spliff and roots again. Me walk the road with humble
Jah Jah by me side. From waterfall to highest pine, me feel the universal line. One love still lives like fire in a breeze, blow through leaves and whisper peace. Me see it shine in every face, me feel it deep in drumbeat bass. One love still lives, no system can kill. It rise in silence, strong and still. Me chant it loud, me sing it true. Me pass the flame from I to you. Imagine earth with no more war, just sound systems and a star. Elders tell story, youths them learn. Fire burn bright but now fi burn. Me vision clear, a village wall where man and woman live in soul. Me hear Naya Bingi in a breeze. Me see just smile between the trees. Me share me fruit, me share me bread. Me bless the table where I'll get fed. Me no judge man by rank or race. Me only look on art and grace. So me chant, rise up, oh children true. The world await the light in you. Smoke your herb, but open your mind. Look inside, your heart will find. One love still lives. Now me close me eye.
So when life stress and storm blow hard, come to Rasta yard, come yard. Me pour your tea from bush, me pick. Me chant a healing slow and tick. Light up chalice, let go fear. Inna the garden, Jah always near. Oh, na ganja with reggae music, yeah man. Where the herbs grow free, under the moon and tamarind tree. Me plant me peace, me water soul. Me dig in the earth and me feel whole. No Babylon light, just jas and beam. No concrete cage, just river stream. Every morning me greet the breeze, chant a psalm and rest in ease. Me not chase gold, me not chase fame. Me live simple, give thanks for name. One love, one pot, ital flame. Cook with spice and ancient name. Me meditate in a early light. Me puff the chalice, mind take flight. Sound of bird and I a bingy drum. A me a heart beat like ancient one. Welcome to Rasta Garden, where love are the only pardon. Come sit, come reason, come ease. Smoke the herb and feel the peace. Me say grow what feed your soul. Sing what make your spirit whole. Rasta Garden, place of light. Rest your worry, feel alright. Me see you them lost in digital smoke, but me burn the green, fi truth evoke. Inna the roots me find me way. Listen to the trees when them start fi pray. Me nah need clock, me move with sun. Me time divine, me rush fi none. Me play the rhythm with natural hand. From style to sound, me overstand. Them ask Rasta why you always smile. Me say me live fi each holy mile. Me garden feed me belly and mind. Me herb elevate and me vibe. Kind no poison food, no plastic beat. Me walk barefoot Panja street. Rasta life a roots and bloom. Me spirit dancing at the moon. Welcome to Rasta Garden, where love are the only pardon. Come sit, come reason, come ease. Smoke the herb and feel the peace. Me say grow what feed your soul. Sing what make your spirit whole. Rasta Garden, place of light. Rest your worry, feel alright. Ay, ay, ay.
reggae music and ganja, yeah man. Me wake up with the sun on me face. Jah blessing me step, me walk with grace. Me heart a drum, it beat in a pace that match the rhythm of this holy place. Me no need silver, me no need gold. Me need truth, me need a story untold. Me need the trees and the breeze, them cold. Me need the fire fi keep me soul bold. Me say love is me weapon, faith is me shield. Roots deeper than them plantation field. Me no fear them lies, me know what real. Rasta na bend, we never kneel. Inna the light of Jah, me find me way. Chanting praises till the break of day. Smoke rise up, spirit fly away. One heart, one soul, one word pray. Inna the light of Jah, me stand tall. Even when the wicked try to make me fall, me hold the line. Me hear Jah call, me no walk alone. Jah guide it all. Me say chant down the earth with a holy tone. Plant love in a soil, watch how it grown. Me not talk war, me build from bone, from roots to crown. Me claim me throne, ital pa me plate. Me spirit clean, no toxins na me body or in a me dream. High grade herb make the vision beam. Me see beyond, me feel the unseen. Meditation pa mountain high. Me reason with clouds, me question sky. Me burn out doubt, me no ask why. Me just give thanks and let soul fly. Rhythm in a heartbeat, words in a flame. Jah give the gift, me chant the name. From Kingston Street to Addis Ababa, same Rastafari live. I me no shame, me wear dreadlocks like crown of king. Me carry history in everything. Me voice a trumpet, me soul a string. Strum by Jah, hear the angels sing. Inna the light of Jah, me find me way. Chanting praises till the break of day. Smoke rise up, spirit fly away. One heart, one soul, one word pray. Inna the light of Jah, me stand tall. Even when the wicked try to make me fall, me hold the line. Me hear Jah call, me no walk alone. Jah guide it all. Them tell you lie about life and love, but me find truth in the flight of dove. In a moonlight, me pray above. For all the youths that search for love. Me say unity, that are the real goal. No care your color, you're young or old. We all break the same story told. Same sun warm we, same night cold. So pass the chalice, make we reason. Talk about liberty, truth and season. No illusion, no false allegiance. Just your works and soul's allegiance. Me they are still in a Zion flame. Me not chase fame, me not play game. Me walk with honor, me chant your name. And every rhythm carry that flame. Zion echoes, we bring the light. Rhythm fi heal, fi open sight. Me not stop till the world unite. Inna the love and Jah might.